Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to connect your Shazam to your Spotify account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open your application. Then scroll down and tap on the settings icon that you can see in the upper left corner of the screen. Now in the streaming section, you can see that Spotify is connected to Shazam, and you can also synchronize your Shazam results to Spotify, meaning that new Shazams will be added to your Spotify playlist. But you can also read more information about this by clicking on the Learn More button. So you can see that by synchronizing Shazams to Spotify, my Shazam tracks playlist will be created in Spotify. Shazams will be automatically added to Spotify, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.